Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and it's time for us to do our Free It Friday video. And today we're doing one that I wasn't planning on doing probably for another 2 months, because that's when we were supposed to start getting them. That is the new Hot Wheels RLC 1991 BMW M3. The ship date wasn't until like December 4th, something like that, but got the notification last week that I'd be receiving this right after I got the notification for the new 69 Dodge Charger, which we will be unboxing him on Mopar Monday. So, today we have a little surprise, and we're doing the BMW. So, it is your Hot Wheels 1991 BMW M3. On this end cap, it just tells you same thing, and the product is intended for adult collectors and is not intended for children under 14 years of age. And then on this end cap, pretty much same thing, except now it says Mattel Creations. Both sides has that Hot Wheels logo and the 1991 BMW M3. And then on the top side just has the Hot Wheels logo. Bottom side, you have your licensing stuff and your UPC code, and that's pretty much it. And these are usually sealed with 2 round stickers. I did get 2 of them, but the second one is already spoken for. Same thing when it comes to my charger. Second one was already spoken for, but this one I think I'm gonna let go of. Not really my cup of tea. Nice car though, but I will probably be selling this one, just to let you guys know. So, anyways, when you pull it out of the box, it has a inner box, which is actually the acrylic case with a dome cardboard cap on it. Pretty much has all the same write-up on it as the outside of the box, except on this side it tells you a little bit about the 1991 BMW M3. The BMW M3 was built to perform, built to turn heads, but most importantly, built to win. The 1991 BMW M3 took home its share of trophies in touring car races, in addition to winning the 24 hours of Nürburgring. It found itself in the winner's circle 4 times across various races in 1991 alone. Design upgrades from the regular 3 Series models include improved aerodynamics, reduced weight, larger engine, and much more. This version features opening doors, red Spectra Flame paint, and silver VUM wheels with metallic gold painted spokes. Over 30 years later, and this car is still a sweet ride. Metal on metal, real riders. So the dome comes off. I'm not going to be unscrewing him from the base, but I will take this off. Some of these cars, as you know, come with just this piece of PVC plastic holding it in place inside of the display case. Some of them have Phillips head screws that are actually tapped into the rivets of the car, and that's what this one is. It's got those screws, and then we'll look at the case real quick. The dome has the Redline Club logo on one side, and on the other side it says 1991 BMW M3, and it usually has that on all these cases, the Redline logo and then the name of the car. And usually these just kind of pull off fairly, well, I take that back. They usually pull off fairly easy. There we go. So, and I don't know. I don't know why these things are so hard to get off sometimes, but they're usually, let me get this off the camera. Usually they're made where the tab you push inward and it unlocks. There we go. Do not want to crack it because I'm not keeping it. If I was keeping it, no big deal. So anyways, I don't really keep them in the boxes anyways. Even the ones in the display case I take out and put into my bigger case in the background, as you can see. But it does have a beautiful metallic Spectraflame red. As you can see, all the metal flake in the hood and the metal flake in the roof, even on the spoiler. The wheels look good, rubber tires, nice detail in the front with the grill emblems, painted headlights, painted lights, marker lights in the bumper cover, fog lights in the bumper cover. Nice detailed tail lights, and it has a plate with 3 M's and then number 3. So cool. And then the M3 logo on the deck lid itself right there, and then your regular BMW emblem right there. The cutout for the exhaust tips and detail with the tampos and the tail lights, your backup lights, turn signals, and then your regular red. And then the doors. I'm gonna try to get one of them to open. Anyways, it's one thing they should provide us with is some kind of plastic tab of some sort to open this. What I use, and I hate to tear up a brick rod like I just did, but sometimes I'll take the plastic from like a brick rod, or maybe you could even use it from like one of your domes from, these doors are a little bit tough. Okay, there you go. But you can usually slide it through the gap, get the door to pop open. But as you can see, the door panels are nicely detailed. Dash is nicely detailed. Nice seats and center console. The windows are slightly smoked. And it does have mirrors casted into the door. And if you didn't see what I was doing, I was taking this plastic and it slides in there quite nice. And it gives you just enough to pop that door. So pretty cool detail on the interior. And then shut the doors. And they line up fairly good. That one wants to stick out just a hair, but not so much that it's noticeable like when you're not zoomed in. So as you can see, they close pretty good. Not perfect, but pretty good. So that is it for your 1991 BMW M3 from Hot Wheels. So if you need one, this one will be for sale. And I will post it up on eBay and on my IG. I can do on IG, we'll say 50 shipped. And then on the eBay store, it will probably be somewhere around like 48 bucks plus shipping and taxes and all that other stuff they charge you. So you're better off to deal with me direct on IG if you want one. So anyways, guys, that's it for our Free It Friday. We'll be back this weekend because we have some other stuff in store for you. And as I said, on Mopar Monday, we'll be unboxing the new yellow 1969 Dodge Charger RT because I need to crack one open for my display case. So we'll be cracking that guy together on Monday. So I'll talk to you sometime this weekend. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Friday.